Miguel Galindo and you have to meet him from Datavideo. Miguel is doing both a real live shoot production today and being with us. But he has something pretty exciting to tell you about what Datavideo will be doing on the show floor. Miguel?
Hi, great. Nice meeting everyone. I work very closely with Datavideo to bring live sets and live productions to NAB and Infocom every year. So this year we're doing a booth at the Creator Lab space, and you can come and produce your own podcast. So if you're in the Creator Lab space, you want to create content, that's why you're at NAB, I invite you to come over and create your content. You could record a podcast, a multi-camera podcast with 2 guests, so 3 seats total, and you can leave the show with an SD card with your finished production on it. And with VoiceTRX Datavideo's solution to this, you don't need a switcher operator, and you can actually use a pan-tilt zoom camera, one of our robotic PTZ cameras, to get multiple angles on set. And you can use this to create your own production. So one of the reasons that a lot of people don't do a video podcast is because, well, you have to have someone operate a video switcher or you have to edit. And our solution eliminates all of that. So you can come to the Creator Lab space and make content. And I think it's going to be something that people really enjoy. Datavideo is a broadcast company, been around for over 40 years now, making broadcast production, video switchers, offering solutions for streaming. So this is something that you could post immediately and stream right away. And we have robotic cameras that will do the camera work, or you could plug in your own cameras into a Datavideo switcher with the voice tracks. We also have partnered with Shure, and Shure is providing microphones. I've produced over 100 hours of podcasts and video podcasts, and I always use Shure. I really enjoy their microphones, very forgiving pickup range. So you have high quality audio, high quality video, and all of it does itself. I'll be there to guide you, but really I just hit record and babysit the production. And Datavideo is just really excited to be in the Creator Lab space.
And the idea that you come to an exhibit, and Gigi, do we know exactly what booth number? Datavideo, somebody's asking which booth number. The idea of coming to a trade show and not just seeing something and walking right past it, but having hands-on is so exciting to us and is so much a part of our DNA. So we're pretty excited to have Datavideo with us as an experience that we can provide for everybody, and hopefully
we'll actually be next to there's a classroom at the Creator Lab space, and so our area will be right next to the classroom, so it'll be easy to find us. We'll have lights and a set, and it has like this like late night vibe. It's really cool.
The only thing we want to know, do you do makeup?
Unfortunately, you'll have to come hair and makeup ready.
Okay.
That's the only catch. I promise everything else is covered. Bring yourself and come ready for camera.
Love that. Really excited about it. And yes, Datavideo and Miguel will be next to the Adobe classroom, where you'll be able to have hands-on experiences with Adobe Premiere's latest features that will just blow your mind.